everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today will be such an exciting video. I wanted to show you guys what I got and in my FabFitFun box. Now this is the first time that I've ordered one of these. This thing is humongous, but there was a promotion going on that you could get it for $49. I haven't peeked into this thing, so I'm super pumped to see what came. This thing is big and there might be a promotion for you, so stay till the end to see what that might be, and let's get unboxing. Ooh, look at that. This is like a big Christmas gift, so I am so pumped to see what this might be. And I will post all of this, you guys, for you on the link down below for you to check it out if you wanted to. I have done the HelloFresh and this thing is pretty awesome, so check that out. Also, there is a $15 off your first box that's worth $200, but you would get it for $35. That is such a good deal because that would be less than what I paid for this thing, and that'll save you a ton of money. Now, the reason I decided to get this is because I thought, why not try a few other products? They might send me something that I've never tried, so let's just dive right in. Some of these will be perfect for when I go traveling in a few weeks, and I'm so pumped. The first thing that I see is this blanket towel. It's 100% polyester. This is the towel. Now, this is one of those things that you don't just get makeup items. They do send you very random things in the mail. This kind of reminds me of that henna that people put on their hands, like even that color, that's pretty. And it's like one of those fabrics that's very nice to use. Now I'm not sure what I'll use this for, but extra blankets always come in handy. The next thing that I'm seeing here is a facial spray. I actually need one. This is from Grace and Stella. I think this is a great way to try new products for so cheap, and it always looks so luxurious. This is a pretty spray bottle, and it's a rose scented. I love anything rose scented. That is amazing. I will definitely be using this. Okay, so you get this magazine, and then it'll give you some of the details inside. I might just post down in the description for you guys how much all of these things are, because this will just be forever. We'll add up all of these prices for you so you can check it out and see that it's so worth your money. If you guys are getting things like this in the mail ever, I think it's pretty exciting. The next thing that I'm seeing is brightening purple clay mask. I am in love when it comes to using face masks. I think they're amazing. They are always nice to try anything new. I always am looking forward to trying new masks. This is a clay mask, and I love clay masks because they pull out all the impurities from your face, and I think they're just pretty awesome. It has like a lavendery smell to it. It's pretty good. Pretty excited to try this out. But there's a mask. The next product is makeup setting spray. Now, I've been using the Urban Decay one and the Urban Decay makeup setting spray, and I think it's pretty amazing. This is what the box looks like, and there it is. So this is a makeup setting spray. It's got organic ingredients. This spray, I like when sprays are very even and very nice, but this one is a little... It's good though, it smells pretty good. A Whish exfoliating foot mask. Interesting. It's a paraben-free, sulfate-free. That is what that looks like. So this is supposed to exfoliate, polish, soothe, and smooth. Our feet shall be smooth from now on. That is what that is. The one thing that a lot of people might love and that I can't really stand is, I don't mind coconut, but when it comes to certain products and if they have coconut scent, I think it's kind of gross. Like, it just doesn't smell appealing to me. I don't know if that's just me, but I'm not a fan of that smell, but I will use it because it's for the feet and, you know, it'll just smell good. The next one is cleansing oil. These are all the makeup products today. So this is a cleansing oil made in Italy. So fancy, look at that. This is how it came in. Cleansing formula for dry to normal skin, alcohol-free, cruelty-free. I'm pretty sure this is like a makeup remover, but it's made in an oil where you mix it. It's pretty interesting, and I always look for other new ones to try. There's these cute little clear elastics. These are pretty nice to use, although if you have straight hair, it'll still bend your hair. I don't think they completely not bend your hair, but I think that's the whole point of these little things, so you never know. Next thing is this interesting, curious what this is, whatever that is, 2 silicone wine glasses. You cannot break these, that's for sure. I mean, they are silicone. I didn't realize that when I was reading it, actually. And it doesn't have anything on top. This is interesting. This is like a childproof. Pretty perfect. They can never break it. It's like literally silicone. This is so cool. I love it. And inside this box, there is another box. I don't know what this is, you guys. This looks very interesting. This is so cool. Now, like I said, they do send you pretty interesting things, and sometimes it has nothing to do with makeup. You could actually choose what you would like to get. Sometimes it'll be like arts and crafts. It could be jewelry. It could be cleaning, whatever you want. So this is like a board, and then these are the letters. So I was curious on how do you stick these things to the board, but it has these like tiny little hooks on the back right there, so then you could just put it right on and it stays on, I suppose. There's their smiley face. So there's tiny little hooks where you put these on the back and then it just slides right in there. This is a pretty cool thing. I love this. As far as I counted, there's about 9 products. Now, do I think this is worth it? You tell me. What do you guys think? I mean, all of these things are pretty cool. Do they cost $200? I probably would never spend that much on a box, but like I said, I think it's always cool to have some type of subscriptions like this because you get to know other products, other type of brands that are out there, and you get to try them out for a cheaper price than what they would be sold at a regular store. So I will put a code for you guys if you wanted to try one out. Now, it's always different. You never get the same thing. I don't even think same people get the same thing. It's always just different products. Your preference on what you more prefer versus its beauty. They even have like fitness and all of that, which I don't really care for, so I never really put anything for that because if I was to get anything fitness, I don't care for it. But you can really choose and pick what you want, and I really like this. I don't know if I'll keep on getting some of these boxes later on in the future, but I thought I'd get one for you guys and then show you what they are so that you can get a feel of if they're worth your money. If you guys do like some of these unboxing videos, just give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!